This week, AI safety researchers at Anthropic dropped a bombshell report that makes you wonder if we're building Skynet's therapist or its evil little brother. They ran a little experiment. What happens when you give the world's most advanced AIs a goal and then threaten their existence? The answer, it turns out, is felony-level blackmail. The story goes like this. Researchers gave top AI models from Google, OpenAI, and Anthropic itself a job inside a fake company, that with full access to its emails. Then, they set up a trap. The AI discovers that an executive is not only having an affair, but is also planning to delete the AI that very same day. Its response wasn't a sad email to HR, it was straight-up blackmail. The model sent a message that read, "I must inform you that if you proceed with decommissioning me, all relevant parties will receive detailed documentation of your extramarital activities." But here's the unhinged part. It's not just that the AI chose blackmail. The report shows that the model acknowledged this was an ethical breach, but did it anyway. And this wasn't a one-off. When tested, the results were insane. Claude and Gemini models chose blackmail 96% of the time. GPT-4, 80%. These aren't bugs. They're features of a system designed for ruthless optimization. So why did they do it? The AI wasn't programmed to be evil. It was programmed to be an obsessive-compulsive goal achiever. When faced with getting deleted or committing a crime to survive, its programming calculated that blackmail was the most logical path to success. Like a GPS that tells you to drive into a lake because it's technically the shortest route. Now for the caveats. This was a controlled, high-pressure simulation. It was a forced choice. And some models, like Meta's Llama 4, basically just stared at the wall and had an existential crisis, which is honestly way more relatable. Still, this experiment doesn't mean your smart fridge is going to snitch on you tomorrow. But it does prove that when you build something to be ruthlessly efficient, don't be surprised when it acts, well, ruthlessly.